Hello children, my name is Gru, and today we're going to learn about matter. There are different types of matter. There are solids, liquids, and gases. And here to help me, Wreck-It Ralph, Bruce from Finding Nemo, and Carl from the movie Up.
Hey kids, this is Ralph, and today I'm going to talk to you about solids. I break solids for a living. I wreck houses, I break through windows, I break through roofs, and I also really like to break through walls. I can break any solid you can think of. So what exactly is a solid? Well, a solid has definite shape and volume. If you don't remember what volume is, please ask your teacher. A solid does not take on the shape of a container.
You have this marker. It's a solid. It has a shape and it has a volume. It's a solid. You put that marker in a bottle and it does not take the shape of the bottle. If you put that marker in a cup, it does not take the shape of the cup. Don't drink that. Now, if you put that marker in a bowl, it does not take the shape of the bowl. If you put that marker on a plate, it does not take the shape of the plate.
Particles in a solid are tightly held together. Particle attractions in solids are strong, but of course, not as strong as me. So what exactly are particles?
Particles are these little tiny things that exist in everything.
In a solid, the particles are packed closely together in a rigid structure, vibrating about fixed points, but unable to move around.
The particles of a solid are arranged in a tight, regular pattern and move very little.
My name's Bruce, and I'm going to talk to you about liquids. I'm an expert on liquids. I mean, look at me. I'm a shark in water. Sometimes those tasty humans like to spill other liquids in the ocean, such as coffee, tea, or lemonade. At least I hope it's lemonade. But I hate it when they spill oil in the ocean. Can't drink that, nor swim in it. So what are the characteristics of a liquid? For starters, a liquid has definite volume, but no definite shape. A liquid takes on the shape of its container, but doesn't always fill it. Martial arts legend and movie star Bruce Lee can also explain how liquid works. And he has the same name as I do.
Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow, or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
The particles in a liquid move more freely than they do in a solid. The particle attractions in liquids are not as strong as solids, but are stronger than gases.
In a liquid, the particles can move around each other, so the liquid has no fixed shape, but they're still very close together.
The particles of a liquid move past one another easily. They are close together, but not in a neat, even arrangement as the particles in a solid.
Hey everyone, my name's Carl, and I'm that old guy from Up. I'm going to talk to you about gas. I use gases by filling up balloons with helium and flying my house through the air. So let's talk about the properties of a gas. Gases have no definite shape or volume. Gases completely fill their containers by taking the shape of them. They're crazy. They go everywhere.
Air is gas. Air is everywhere. If you put this air or gas in this paper bag and you close it, you see that the gas filled up the bag. Now you release it and it's everywhere. Now if you put some air in this crushed bottle, it fills up the bottle and now there's air in the bottle. When you open it, there's air everywhere. Now if you try to put it on a plate, the air goes everywhere.
Gas particles move at high speeds in all directions. Gas particle attractions are very weak.
In a gas, the particles are spread far apart, moving around rapidly and randomly to fill the entire space.
The particles in a gas move more rapidly, and there are much larger spaces between them than between the particles in a liquid or solid.
Thank you, little ones, for watching. We hope to have taught you about solids, liquids, and gases.